Hello everyone, my name is Karen Gabriela Jasmine in PM 224120004, class accounting 22H. The rule of corporate governance. Corporate governance has a very important role in determining the direction and success of the business entity, but in the short and long term. In the context of an increasing complex and dynamic business world, corporate governance is no longer just a set of formal policies, but rather the main pillar in creating a healthy, transparent, and sustainable company. Its role has developed into a system that breaks the interests of the company and the interests of the stakeholders involved in it. Fundamentally, the main role of the corporate governance is to ensure that companies are managed in the way that upholds the principles of transparency, accountability, responsibility, independence, and fairness. Through this framework, corporate governance helps direct management and the board of direction to make decisions that are not only economically beneficial but also ethical and socially responsible. One of the important rules of corporate governance is to protect the rights of shareholders and other stakeholders. In modern corporate structure, especially those in form of public companies, there is separation between ownership and management. This separation has the potential to cause conflict of interest, where management may make decisions that are more favorable to themselves than the company. In situations like this, corporate governance acts as monitoring and control mechanisms to keep management acting in the best interest of the company and stakeholders. Corporate governance also plays a role in improving operational effectivity and overall company performance. With good governance, the company has a clear structure regarding the authority and responsibility of each part, which allows the decision-making process to run more effectively. In addition, corporate governance support the implementation of strong internal controls, reliability audit system, and honest and transparent financial reporting mechanisms. All of the things will create trust from investor and business partner and increase the value of the company in the eyes of the market. In the context of globalization, the role of corporate governance is increasingly significant. International investors pay close attention to the quality of corporate governance before they invest. Companies that implement corporate governance will then to more trust and are considered to have low risks. Therefore, good governance can be a corporate strategy in attracting investors and expanding access to financial sources. Corporate governance also plays an important role in preventing financial scandal and corrupt practices. Many cases of major corporate failures such as Enron and WorldCom in the United States show that weak oversight and governance can cause hard losses not only to shareholders but also to employees, suppliers, and socially at large. Therefore, corporate governance acts as the front line in maintaining the integrity and business ethics of company. In the national scope, corporate governance also has a broader dimension, namely in supporting healthy and sustainable economic growth. When many companies implement good governance, the capital market will grow more sustainable, the investment climate will become more conducive, and the economy as a whole will be positive impact. In other words, corporate government is not only important for the survival of individual companies, but also for the welfare of the national economy. In conciliation, the role of corporate governance is crucial in the ensuring that companies are run in an ethical, transparent, and responsible manner. It serves as a system of control and direction that ensures a balance between the internal and external interests of the company, as well as a means to build public trust. In the modern era full of challenges, only companies that have a solid foundation of governance are able to survive, grow, and make a positive contribution to society and the economy at large. Therefore, the implementation of strong corporate governance is no longer an option, but a strategic necessity for every business entity that wants to be sustainable.